Okay, Chalmers, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how I put a screenshot image into a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to take a screenshot just of here, right, of the course that we're in, right, and then I do a print screen, right, and that you should be able to see a screenshot was added for me. The next thing I want to do is I would open up my PowerPoint presentation, and you go here to that image, insert a picture from a file, right? So click on insert a picture from a file. It takes me right to my pictures at this point. My screenshots I save directly to my Dropbox, but you can just save your screenshot to your desktop if you want. So then I would go into my folder that says screenshots, right? I'm going to open that, right? And I'm going to go to my screenshot that I just made, right? And then I'm going to click insert, and you'll see it inserts the screenshot that I just made. I hope this is helpful.